Hi, I'm An Yoon, an artist from Vietnam, creating this channel to share my experience, my work, and also my lines of art. Today, I'm going to share the Procreate that have you guys organize and speak of your workflow. Okay, let's get started. iPadOS widgets let you add a permanent shortcut to Procreate on your iPad home screen. When you add Procreate at a widget, it will display the last artwork you worked on. Tapping on the widget will bypass the Procreate gallery and jump straight to your artwork, ready to work where you last left off. Dark mode is a default interface that keeps the focus on your artwork. But for most cases, we usually post our art on the light interface such as Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. So let's change to the light interface before you uploading to check and maybe make a tweak before posting. You work on different canvas sizes, but you don't want to write them every time? Yes, same here. You can customize your canvas sizes to save time. For me, I mostly post my art on Instagram and print off to A3 large size. So I'm going to create the custom canvas for Instagram and A3 sizes. If you love to paint portraits like me, you might want to use a reference. There are two ways. The first one is to add a reference window. Go to Action and turn on Reference. You can also move the window, zoom in and out the photo. The second way is open the secondary window. You can wipe off the bottom of the screen and choose the app that you need, like Image, Pinterest, Safari. You can adjust the size, zoom, and even search. The default Procreate sidebar is designed to be in easy reach of your left hand while you paint with your right. But let's try the right hand interface. It might speed up your workflow. At least for me, it does. For example, your reference pop-up is on the left. You work with your finger like zoom, undo, clear, also on the left. And you work with pencil on the right with painting, resize the brush, and change the brush opacity. It makes the most sense for you to find the brushes you need as quickly as possible. There are too many brush sets with different purposes, such as sketching, painting, drawing, texture, but we only use several brushes. So, if there are certain brushes that you use a lot, it can be annoying to navigate to different folders whenever you need to switch between them. Let's create your favorite brush set by this plus icon and create a new set, name it. Now you can quickly access the brushes you need right away. So it's on for part 1. It's pretty long, so I'm separated into part 1 and part 2. I'm going to blog part 2 next week, and I really hope that help you guys somehow with Procreate. And Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!